Why are you doing that? He's shaking like crazy. They're both shaking. Her hair's sticking up. Her hair's sticking up on her back. Bambi, come here. Bambi. Bambi. What's going on, Zero? Hey. What's going on? Bambi, come here. What are you so upset over? A box of leftover food?
Yeah, I know, Bambi. It's not really cute, it's really...
Just sitting there watching her. Bambi, come on! Come on! Bambi, come on! Where are you? Come here. Come on up here. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bambi. Really? Yeah? Hi. Why are you crying? Because you want the leftover chicken? And Zero's up here? Huh? Are you okay now? Are you alright? Are you okay? Yeah. Alright.